TaoTronics item I'm unboxing is basically a Bluetooth receiver. I believe the company is called TaoTronics Bluetooth. And I was just really getting tired of having to plug in my aux cord. Not only that, if y'all guys know, I switched over to iPhone, and well, it just doesn't have a jack. I mean, Bluetooth headphone jack. And I mean, that's the case with most of the phones coming out right now, so I'm pretty sure they're just moving to Bluetooth headsets and stuff like that. And then, I mean, obviously, Apple gives you a dongle, but sometimes it just gets really annoying to just keep on trying to plug in my phone or having to find the dongle or stuff like that. So with this, I decided that I could just plug this into the aux cord or the aux import, and then aux cord, and just be able to just Bluetooth my music to my car. So yeah, like I said, these are TaoTronics Bluetooth receiver. So let's go ahead and open this up. Trusty unboxing knife. Wireless receiver. Fairly inexpensive as well. Cost me the same amount, like 15 bucks. You can get these at Walmart, Amazon, anywhere. Let me go ahead and get this one open. These are getting really easy to open up. Backwards, stick it in. Nothing else in the box? Oh no. Oh yeah, that's it. It's already looking for something. So do this. It gives you the aux cord, the aux adapter. One end's gonna go into that device, and the other end's gonna go onto your aux port. Once you do that, then you'll be able to just stream music on there. All you gotta do is press that button until it starts sliding up like this, and then look for it on your phone on Bluetooth under the Bluetooth settings, and you're all good to go. Yeah, this is really weird. I like how they do include 3.5mm headphone jack on each end, and then this is more than likely to charge the device as well. Yeah, this is to charge your device. Charge it every once in a while. It doesn't run on batteries, that's the good part. And then you have your manuals right here. But anything else, it doesn't seem like there's anything else in the box. So go ahead and put that away. There's this little device. Go ahead and get it out of there. All you really want to do is it's going to keep linking till you actually connect to it. So what you're going to want to do is charge it if you must. You know, I'll charge it later once I'm done with this unboxing. But you obviously want to charge your devices up to full till after you before you use them actually. Not really sure why this is included, the headphone jacks, but we'll just keep them there just in case. What you would do is look for the correct port. I didn't want to mess this up. So right here is where the charging port would be at. I mean, this is a charging port, but this is where you would charge it from. And then this one right here is the one that gets connected to that. And then this end is the one that gets connected to your car. Once that connects to your car, all you gotta do is go to your aux settings or anything like that, or something like that, and then once you connect to this thing right here, you'll be able to play your music Bluetooth wirelessly. Really convenient. Like I said, it's only like 15 bucks right now, 18 bucks at the most. I would definitely highly recommend this. But let me just go ahead and show you how it works in the car. So yeah guys, I'm just outside, about to go to my car, just so I can show y'all how the Bluetooth receiver works, and then after that we'll go back inside and finish up. Let's go. What you're gonna want to do is plug it into your aux, anywhere in your aux. You'll recognize that it's an aux then. Go ahead and press this button right here. About 3 seconds. And start flashing red and blue. After that, you're gonna want to take out your phone. Go to your settings. Go to your Bluetooth. I'm gonna look for it. And it'll be called TaoTronics TBR05. Just gonna connect to them. So you can see I already have another one, which is my brother's, but yeah, this one's mine. As you can see, it's connected. So let's go ahead and see if I can play this on. Let's do this one. So as you can see, and it works. So yeah, but yeah guys, just want to let y'all know that it works. Pretty simple. It's basically plug and play. But let's go outside, because it's over, let's see, 96 degrees outside, and I'm inside the car, so it's pretty freaking hot. Let's go ahead and go back inside and finish up. This one's going to be a lifesaver. I know for a fact I'm going to be using this a lot probably for the rest of my life, just because, or until I get a Bluetooth receiving car already, you know. But yeah, whenever it stays on like this, that means that the device is still connected to it. If you want to turn it off, you just have to hold down this the button down, and then also whenever you're charging it, you will charge it from this port right here. It's I believe it's a micro USB. Yeah, sorry about that. It's not a a Type C cable. You still have to go back to the micro USB. I know they're going extinct out there, but you just look for one from one of your old phones. It more than likely will work perfectly fine. One more thing: once you finish charging these, this will turn green, right? But once you finish charging, while it's charging, it will turn green. But when you finish charging this, then the whole light will turn on. Just so you know that if it's green, it's not. It doesn't mean that it's fully charged. It just means that it's charging. Once the light turns off from here, it's fully charged. Like I said, you're more than welcome to just take this off, carry it separately, throw it in a bag. It's really ergonomical. It's really small. You can just have this in your pocket if you wanted to. And this does not just work on cars. This works on anything that is not Bluetooth compatible, if you will. But yeah, other than that, guys, and that's been the unboxing. So yeah, guys, we were able to test out the Bluetooth receiver in the car, and I loved it. I've already been using it for about a week already. It still has 100%. I charged it right before I used it, and it still seems to have 100%. I used it with an iPhone. With an iPhone, it actually tells you how much battery it has, so that's a pretty cool feature. Like I said, I just use it for my car, but there's plenty of other devices you can use this for. And if you're really interested in getting something like this, I'll leave it a link in the description telling you where I got it, basically from Amazon. So yeah, if you would want to get one, leave a comment down below, leave a like, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. It's been Nebula. It's been Infinite Trip from Nebula, and you have a blessed day, guys.